Hola familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today we have our next update of Partners in Cream Project Pan. This was created by Dylan and Steph. As always, it will be linked down in the description box. We got very exciting news that they're bringing this back next year. So I'm so excited because I love this Project Pan. It just helps me to get use out of my cream and liquid products, which has been amazing. So I have 5 products that I have been using up and I have my update on them. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the update. All right, you guys, so I have 5 products here that I want to share with you guys. This is rolling, so I will be rolling out some products at this time. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, let's start out with this product right over here. This is my Pure Bronze Your Selfie bronzer. So with this product, I just wanted to use it up and I'm doing rather well. This was 64 grams last update and now we are at 50 grams, which is very, very good for me. I can't believe I used that much. This I mix with my foundation because my foundation is too light, too orangey, and this makes it perfect. This is what I'm wearing all over my face, and I have mentioned in the past I have used this as an actual liquid bronzer as well, and it works amazing for that. I have used it a few times like that as well during this past month. This is going to continue to stay. I have a feeling this will probably be here until the next update. By then, my tan should be gradually leaving, and that means this will be too dark for me. So I'll probably roll this out and roll something else in. So hopefully I can get a little bit more use out of it before I put it back in my collection. Next up is my Kat Von D lip gloss. So you guys know this is going to take me 20 years to finish up, but that's okay. Here is where we are at. You guys, this is where our last update was, and here's where we currently are. You guys see that? I use quite a bit. If I'm looking at it from the beginning to now, I use quite a bit of this. This I've gotten accustomed to that as soon as I'm done my makeup in the morning, this is the first thing I put on my lips. I'm doing 2 lip products that are creamy, like moisturizing kind. So I do one at night, one during the day, and this is my day one, so I'm getting more use out of it. This is really pretty. I like it. It's still going to be in here. My goal is to finish this up, so this will be here maybe even into next year. Now let's talk about this Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in Kitten. When you guys can see the picture, I don't know where I have it, but I have a picture of this where I first started out. I had flattened the dome out and I had quite a bit of product on here, and I really done a good job with this product. You guys can see it right here. That's how much I've used out of this. Isn't that awesome? I'm very proud of myself with this one. Now, I will tell you that this one was a lot easier for me to use than my bronze one because this just suits me better. I can use it multiple ways. I use it all over my face, but I also use it as a base for my highlighter. I've used it all over my body. It just suits me so much better. So I do like it. I don't know if you guys want to see a swatch it. It's really, really pretty. See how light that is? It's such a pretty highlighter. So I can get a lot of use out of this one and not have to feel like I am obligated or I'm forced to use it. It's really, really pretty. I think by next update this should be done, which is awesome because that means that's one less cream product in my collection. I'm very happy about that. So we're doing really good with this one, and it's easier to use when you use it all over the face than just in a concentrated spot, and it does help too when you put it all over your body basically with lotion. So it worked out in the end. The 4th product that I have is this nail polish. This is my Clarins Rouge Red, right? Did I go? So these are my tallies, you guys. I can't mark anything under this one because it's just way too close to that line down here. I'm going to roll this product out. I have used as much as I could of it. I could barely get any product out. I really got to tilt the bottle to get the nail polish out onto my nails. I have it on my toes. I think I've used it for the last time. By the time that I need to do my toes again, it's going to be winter time. Like, it's going to be colder in here. So I'm going to start wearing boots and socks. So sandal season for me in my area will be leaving in about another week or 2. So that means I won't have use for this anymore. I'm just going to roll this out. I've gotten the use out of it during the summer. I'm so sad summer's over. I'm just going to roll this out. There's no point in me keeping it in here. So that is done and just being put back. My last product that I have is my NARS Torrid Liquid Blush, you guys. So here are my tallies. And I didn't tally anymore because I can't pump any more out of this, you guys. I can't pump. Every time I pump, look, I'll try. Every time, see, like now I'm getting some. But it's harder for me to pump this out. It's just getting closer and closer to the bottom. So what I have been doing is grab untwisting it and then putting some on the back of my hand and then stippling it on my brush. The thing is that I am rolling this out regardless because it is now going to be fall and this is my summer shade. This is by far my favorite one. This one out of all four that I own is the one that has the least amount of product. If I continue to use this, I can almost guarantee that I would be done with this by the next month. But because I want to get use out of all of them, I'm going to roll this out. I'm very excited. I can't tally anymore because it's really, really low. It's like the straw doesn't touch all the way at the bottom, so I have to scoop it out. So this is also going to be rolled out because I'm going to roll in my new one. All right, so we're going to recap before I bring in the new products. This is going to continue to stay into this project pan, which is fine. This one, my Heaven's Hue highlighter, will also stay, which I have a feeling it'll be one more month with that one. And then my lip gloss will continue to stay in this project pan. So those are 3 products that are staying. So I'm rolling in 2 new products. The first thing I'm going to roll in is a face primer. I haven't had a face primer in any project pan for a long time. The one that I had in a different project pan has long gone been used up, but I never really rolled any other ones in. So the majority of the ones that I have are deluxe sample sizes. So the one I want to roll in is this MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. This, you don't need a lot. It's a little bit and it covers basically wherever you want it to cover. I accidentally like squished too much of it out and it's super moisturizing, so I have to be careful. So this is gonna last me a while. This is a deluxe sample size, but it's gonna last me a bit. I think I've been using it for quite a bit, like about 2 to 3 weeks. So I think I probably have another month left with this one. Yeah, I know. The little one, but it has a lot of product in it for being a deluxe sample size. So I'm gonna roll this in and I'm just gonna continue to roll in a face primer in this project pan to replace these just to get more use out of them since we are towards the end of the year. And then as always, I will be rolling in my last color that I haven't rolled in yet this year, and that is my NARS Luster. You guys can see the separation here. See how it's separated? Now, if I shake it, you guys will see this is all the way up to the top. I barely use this one, so this is what it'll look like now. So I'll mark it all the way up at the top, and then we'll go from there. This is a pretty color. This is more of like that soft apricot, creamy type of shade. Like it's very peachy, light orange compared to Tord. You guys can see the difference between both of these. So I like this one. I think this will be perfect for fall. Out of all of these so far, I think Orgasm is my least favorite, which is the one I rolled in the spring. Every other one that I've had has been great. So this is my last one I'm rolling in, and that'll be my 5th product that I will be using up. This is going to stay in here until December. The first week of December is where I'm going to start again to roll in the next one basically for next year. All right, you guys, so that is my update for our Partners in Cream Project Pan. I have my 5 products here. As I mentioned before, I will have the playlist down in the description box if you want to binge watch everyone's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put more videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.